can taste you, I can taste you.
Good morning. It is 6 something, just a little bit before 7 on the 19th. And you can see the puppies are getting anxious. It's bright and early this Tuesday morning, just after Holy Week. So everything's sort of back to normal here in the Philippines. Us, on the other hand, we are driving 4 hours to a place called Zambales, which is a little bit past Subic, Clark. That's sort of the landmark that I think everybody sort of knows. And we are staying for a couple of nights in a pet-friendly hotel over there, resort. Not really a hotel, pet-friendly resort over there. So we're leaving bright and early today because it's, again, a 4-hour journey. My brothers and my sister and the dogs and my mom are all coming. So we're meeting up at a gas station, at a rest area, stop area, about an hour away. And so we're sort of going to time that, and then we're just going to convoy all together to the resort. So this is sort of like a post birthday celebration for my mom. She celebrated her birthday on the 11th, but because of Holy Week, nobody wanted to go out because Holy Week here is a little bit insane. Everybody takes a few days off and they go on, well, not really vacation, but it's their chance to catch up, and they go up to the province. So traffic is really horrendous. So we decided to go after Holy Week. So I think we just loaded up the car. The boys are not quite sure what's going on. Every time they see the luggage now, they know we're leaving, or one of us is leaving. So they obviously don't know that they're coming along here. So yeah, same routine. Once I get there, I'll show you around. And the place looks really nice. It's called the Haya Resort. So hopefully the pictures and the videos that we've seen do it justice. And yeah, it's just about ready to go. So let's go on a road trip. Boy, Walton. Good boy. Just sitting down, Walton. Good boy, Walton. Oh, it's a little bit before 9, and we left at about 7:30, I think. And then we stopped at to get my first cup of coffee. But we are in a Petron, like a gas station rest area here by the North Expressway. We live by the South Expressway. Obviously, we're heading north. So this is a good rest stop. There's all sorts of food and breakfast stuff that you can get. And we're probably another 3 hours to where we're going. But it's all like freeway, so it shouldn't be too bad at all. Not like when we went to Batangas. It's a lot of inner city driving. So this is just a straight shot. So my mom's just getting food for, she's taking her medication, just a bit of rest. The dogs had their breakfast, and we're hoping that they'd go potty, but of course they won't because they're super excited. But that's kind of how the trunk looks like. Right now, we just have human stuff, dog stuff, and emergency stuff. So yeah, we're just waiting for my mom to get her food, and then we are beginning our way. Okay, so we've made it to Haya Nature Resort, and I am in the room with the two dogs because we were having lunch. We actually got here about an hour and a half ago, 2 hours ago. The room wasn't ready, so we decided to have lunch. But the dogs were super excited. They're getting better. I think the more we go out and the more we expose them, they'll get better. They're not too bad with humans, but they still want to play with other dogs. And there are a lot of small dogs here, so a lot of the owners are afraid to play with two bulldogs. But anyway, before anything else, Ryan is getting our stuff from the car, and I wanted to book a beach view king room, but that wasn't available. Apparently this resort is actually very popular in the month of April. So we just got whatever was available, which was two deluxe beds. So I'm gonna do a quick tour of the room and how much it costs. So when you first come in to your villa, you will see your veranda. I'm looking at it from inside the room. Pretty. Every villa has its own sort of private balcony, and each door is not a typical hotel room resort where it's a door. It's actually a sliding door. And you can see the two puppies exhausted. They're about to eat soon. So here's just a quick look around the room. Again, we're a little bit north of Subic, Clark. We're in Zambales. See a nice area for TV or hot water. And to be honest, I haven't even opened up the stuff. You have a little like mini fridge in there. Excuse me, Walton. And then a little safe in there. You have stuff for morning coffee. So there's the TV. You have a nice full-size mirror and two beds. You know, if you're with a family member, occupancy is 4. So maybe 2 for the dogs and 2 for the humans. You have a nice little luggage area here and a nice big bench. It's really nice. So let's go to the bathroom. Bathroom is really nice and big, as you can see. We have our friend here, the fly. Yes, you have a nice sink, a nice commode, and a really big shower. So it's very modern, it's very clean, which is really the most important thing. As you know, I have this bit of a phobia of bathrooms. So yeah, there you go. That is the bathroom. And the room. So there you go. You sort of come down here, and straight ahead is the reception area. They have those little thatch houses we call bahay kubo that you can day rent. So you see this little bahay kubo. You can come in and it's just, you can use the beach and just sit here. And they have air-conditioned thatch houses, right? So this is the way. Here you have the pool. Beautiful. These cabanas. So, typical Filipino, kahit nasa resort, may merienda. Walang kamatayang Goldilocks. Ano ba? That's still Goldilocks cake slice. More, there's just breads. And hopia is like bean with pastry. So, I'll show you. This is the restaurant where you can order snacks. And this is the reality. Expectation, reality. So when you go to a resort, alam na yan lahat ng Pilipino. May dalang baon na yan. So here's the beach. Beautiful. Sunset's going to be gorgeous. It's about 6 o'clock. And there's the beach. The weather is amazing. So he wraps around to like a little courtyard area to the pool, which is right there. And then the restaurant. It's my mom and my sister and the 2 puppies. So yeah, we're just out here. It was way too hot earlier today. So we're just now all coming out of the woodwork. Pero merienda time. Filipinos are known for snacking. So, kahit saan ka magpunta, laging may dalang merienda yan. So, this is hopia munggo. Ano ba hopia munggo? It's like bean inside that's wrapped in like flaky pastry. It's probably one of my favorite snacks. It's just a Filipino thing. It's almost expected. You always have snacks when you're on the road. Nasa kalsada pa lang kayo, kumakain na kayo. And then when you get to the restaurant, in between the meals, you like to snack. So, sana hindi pa naulit ni Ryan yung vlog. Which is fried pork belly. Palabos lang. Yeah, I mean, buttered shrimp. This is bulalo. This is pork barbecue, string beans, and chicken wings. Fast off. Beef or pork? Quick.
Me and you?
Just you. I'm just asking you. Beef,
Pork.
Scotch or whiskey?
Go on.
San Mig or Yingling?
Yingling.
What?
Oh, yeah.